uh, we, we are going to see the fish amino video from our side. What we used is the fish and the jaggery sugar. Actually, we used 1 kg of the fish and equal amount of jaggery as well, so that we can get good compost fertilizer. Along with this, we also used 3 bananas to squash it inside, and we kept it for 40 days. Now we are seeing this is our stored container, in which we cut the fish and we put it inside, and we didn't added any water on it. It's the fish, the cut fish with the jaggery, and there is no water added on it. You can see it's almost in a very good compost texture, and we are ready to filter it out. We cannot filter it with anything. We will take out the fishes out, and then we will take the liquid portion on it, and we can store in our another container, which we can use it at any time, up to 3 to 4 months. It's good enough. We can use this for our vegetable plants, flower plants, and for all the plants for the good yield. We can see there is a good texture and there is no smell also, because when we make a proper composition and with the correct mixture, we will not experience any fish smell on it. Actually, we are good to go now. We can see this is our old mixture which we had prepared almost on the month of February or March, and we were using till now. Actually, with this we are using for 100 ml for 10 liter water to dilute, because it will be heavy for the plants to absorb it. So the water mixture is more important after we take this composition, and we will use it when we are going to use it for the plant. The water has to be mixed by that time only. Don't use any water while we are preparing the composition. And this have no smell also. We are just keeping it inside. Don't expose it in the sun. No need to keep it in the sun. You need to keep the complete thing. Either you can keep it in your house, inside your house, or maybe in your balcony without exposure to sun. So now we will try to extract this one, and we will see how much we're going to get for the new one. And this is our pet jar, which we are using it for regular time now, and we didn't have any issues in terms of the smells or anything. It is just a tight container, and we don't have anything, and we no need to keep it open every day and check it. Actually, we check it every 10 days once, so that we know what is the current composition, and we just need to shake it up just to have if there is any gas or something like that inside which is formed. We just open and we will shake it up. That's it. So now we will be in the good shape to have this one used. Now we have taken out the fish from the container, and we are extracting it with the water. What we're going to do is we will just take the water to use it for the plants, and we will just bury those fishes to the plants or trees near to it. If you are in apartments or something, you can just throw those fish waste outside. Since we have an option, we are just going to use this for our trees. The waste of the fishes will be buried for our trees. So actually this content what we are taking now, the water, I have again converted this into 3 to 4 buckets to use it for our plants, so that it will not be heavy for the plants to take it in. And we are using this mixture for every 10 to 15 days. And this is our mango tree. I'm going to use this. I'm going to put the waste fish near to this mango tree. We will just make a small pit on it, and we will use it. And we can see here, this is our new fish amino liquid, which we got almost like 800 ml. Yeah, we used 1 kg fish and 1 kg of jaggery and 3 bananas, and that's our old container, and we are good now.